Hello guys, welcome once again. Till now we have seen how to make this a login page for our Visual C++ Windows Form application, and when we give some username and password, it checks into the database and it shows us whether our password is correct or not. And if our password is correct, then it goes to the second page. Now in this video I will show you how to save or insert data into your database with the help of your C++ Windows Form application. So what I'm gonna do is I will take some text fields here and I will take a button here which I will call save, and I will save my data from that button. So let's get started and let me explain how I'm gonna do that. So go to your second form design, which is a blank form except for this exit button, and what I will do is I will take a button here and I will take a label and I will take a text box. Okay, and I will make this a little bit bigger, and what I will do is I will just select this label and copy and paste it 4 times because I need 4 labels. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I need 4 text fields. So 1, 2, 3, copy and paste. So what I have done is I have named these labels as EID, that is employee ID, first name, last name and age, and these values I will enter in these text boxes and I will press save to save data. This 4 field I have taken because in my MySQL database I have these 4 field: employee ID, name, surname and age. So I have taken into my application these 4 fields. I have 2 more fields in my database, that is username and password, but I'm not taking them when entering the data from this form application. And what I want is when I press this save button, it should direct the data, new data should go into my database directly here. So when I press save, a new data 9 something whatever will enter in this database. So let's get started. So go ahead and make these button, text field and labels, and then I will double click this save button, and which will lead me to the method of this button click. Okay, so first thing what I need to do is, as in my previous video, to link my MySQL, I have used this namespace, using namespace MySQL data collection from form 1, and I will copy it and paste it into my form 2. Where do you want to paste it? Just below this using namespace system drawing. So using namespace MySQL data MySQL client, just paste below these used namespaces. What it will do is it will link your second form with the database. Okay, and the second thing you need to do is, when we have written our code for logging button, I will double click this login button, and you can see we have written a code for login. So what this code does, it connects your SQL with this port and with this local host to your MySQL database, and then pass your query into the database. So I will take whole code from here, copy, in order to save time, and then I will edit this code. So I have taken all the code in between this method here to here. Just take this code, okay, and I will go to my second form, which is this save form, and I will once again double click this save button, and in between this method I will paste all that code. And what I don't need is this if conditions, so I will delete all these if and else condition which we have used in our login page, and I will also delete this variable count which we have taken in when we were writing our login code. The rest of the code we need, so just take a look at it. This will connect your program to the database, and this will pass your query. So what I have now is this query, but in order to save data into my database, I need to pass a different query, which is a insert query. So I will just change this query. Just take a look at it. Write insert into into insert into your database name dot your table name. So if you can see in my SQL database, I have EID, name, surname and age, and my database name is database itself, and my table name is edata. Okay, so this is what I'm writing here: insert into database dot edata. Okay, and then after that write these brackets, and I will take my for field, which is this EID, name, surname and age, and I will write it here. So EID comma name comma surname comma age. Okay, and then after that I will delete all this which I have used in the previous query. Okay, so I will delete all this till this semicolon. This semicolon we are using to close our query. So our query looks like this: insert into database dot edata, and the for field which we want to save, and then write